is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I'm so excited. Obviously, this look absolutely took me forever and a day, but I'm really proud of how it came out. Really interesting, kind of confusing in a way. But yeah, if you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. I'm going to the dentist tomorrow, and I always like to whiten my teeth before I go. Does anyone else do that? I feel like that's so weird. Okay, so I primed my eyelid with Tarte Double Duty Beauty Concealer. I love this concealer. I forgot I had it because I'm almost running out, but it is absolutely amazing. Alright, so this is going to be really weird, but I'm going to start out with black. And I'm using this really cool, it's just a small eyeshadow brush from Ruby Kisses. I just seen it randomly at the store and I was like, that looks like a really cool miniature packing brush. So I'm taking black from my Ultimate Matte palette and we're just going to add that in the crease. And we're really just going to start off really dramatic and dark. Because I have like a picture in my mind that I want to make happen. So then I'm going to take the dark blue in the Ultimate Matte palette. And we're basically going to put that right on top and slightly above the black. I'm not sure how I'm going to like this, but I want to try taking that dark green in the Ultimate Matte palette. And we're taking that teal turquoise color right beside that green in the same palette. In the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, there's a light teal color that I'm going to take, and I'm just going to add that to the top of this. And I'm glad I picked this color because I really like how it's blending. Okay, so kind of something like that. I'm going to fast forward you guys through me doing everything all over again, trying to get it blended, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I started the cut crease for this look, but I am just gonna have to do this. I always do that in my videos, like think I'm gonna sit and explain it, but then I'm like confused myself and I can't explain it. I just have to show you. So we're about to attempt this neon. Okay, I'm scared to look up, but I love this. I'm just gonna kind of clean it up, make it look a little bit nicer, and we'll move on to the last few steps. Alright you guys, that really put me through it, and I still see like flaws in it, but the white line just really drove me a little bit mad. So I'm just gonna complete this look real quick and we're gonna be done, you guys. I've been filming for absolute ever. At this point I'm wore out, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm about to finish the rest off camera because I feel like I've been filming forever. I don't want you guys to get bored, so a lot of the times I just do stuff off camera. Let me know anytime, like, y'all are like, what did you do? You didn't show us. Just ask me, I'll tell you. Yeah, I'm going to finish this look off camera and we will be done. Alright guys, here's the final situation. I feel like I worked so long and hard on this look, and I don't think I could have done anything else. It literally took so much time. It really tested my blending skills, which I think I passed. Yeah, and I hope you get the neon vibe. If you don't, it's still cute with just a white liner. So yeah, I love the way it came out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this look. Tell me if you think I should try it again with maybe different colors. I really, I'm feeling it. I love it. It definitely gave me a run for my money. I'm exhausted after this. But yeah, I'm really proud. I hope you guys love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
This backdrop is so cute. I can't even take it. The camera's making me look so red. I'm in love with this backdrop. Oh, I'm in love with this backdrop.